Welcome to Miss Jess's channel, and I have my guest, Gwen. Hi! Okay friends, we're going to play Hop to the Shape game, and what you're going to need is some tape. So my first shape is going to be a square. Gwen, can you make me a triangle?
Yes.
Okay, here's your first strip.
This looks. Oh,
Here's your second strip. You got it?
I want to play this. Wait, let me see if it's too long. It's not too long.
Perfect.
Crumbling good.
And here's your last one.
Let's
Wow. Yes.
look at me this little burger thing.
That's a nice triangle.
Thanks.
Okay, now we have our shapes and we can start playing. Are you ready, Gwen?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to call out a shape. So Gwen, you stay in the middle of the circle.
Woohoo!
When I call out the shape, you're going to find it and hop on that shape. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Gwen, hop on a triangle. Woo!
Yay!
You did it! Now you can go back to the center.
Woohoo! Hop to the center too.
Now I need you to hop on the circle.
Circle.
Yes! You can go back to the center.
Woohoo!
Hop on the star.
Star.
Wow! Go back to the center. Now you tell me which shape you want to hop on.
Star. Circle. Diamond. Square. Triangle. Rectangle.
High five, Gwen! You did awesome naming those shapes. I hope everyone had a fun time. We sure did.